Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to search for a debtor's booking. Having the ability to search for a debtor's booking allows the user to easily navigate through all the available diaries to locate a booking for the desired debtor. Being able to use the search for a debtor's booking function makes finding and editing a debtor or patient's booking quicker and easier. Let us go over how to use the search for a debtor's booking function. From the diary screen, click on the Search for Debtor Bookings button. The Diary Debtor search screen will open. Click on the Search for Debtor field and type the name, surname, or ID number of the desired debtor. By clicking on the correct debtor, booking search results will automatically be listed using the default search filters. The user is able to fine-tune results using the various filter fields available. The Display Bookings From drop-down menu gives the user an option of searching all bookings or only future bookings. Click on the Search for Deleted Bookings checkbox if the user would like the search to include bookings that have been cancelled or removed. All available diaries will be displayed, and the user is able to tick or untick whichever diaries should be included. The date from is a specific date from when information will be included. The date to is a specific date until when information is going to be included. Click on the Date From or Date To fields to reveal a date picker. Once all desired filters have been set, click on the Search button to finalize any additional filter changes. All bookings that match the filter requirements will be listed at the bottom of the Diary Debtor search screen. Double-click on the booking that the user would like to edit. The diary will open with the chosen booking selected, where the user can make any necessary changes to the booking.